Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to record calls and then transcribe it on your Samsung phone running One UI 7.0. So on your Samsung phone, there's a feature which allows you to record calls and later transcribe the entire conversation into text into your chosen language like English or any other language. So let me show you how to do this. So as you can see, we're currently in a call right now. Now to start recording here, you need to go ahead and find this icon here, which looks like a cassette player with a T. Go ahead and tap on this. This will now start recording your conversation. So I'll just go ahead and speak a few lines here. Hi, this is the Simple Dad. How are you? Please subscribe to this channel. Please like this video and please share this with your friends and family. Now once that's done, I can go ahead and stop recording. Then I can go ahead and end this call. So now if you want to transcribe the entire conversation into text, you want to go ahead and open up your call app. Next, you want to go ahead and find the call which you've made, which is right here. Tap on this. And now this will show you your outgoing call. And now below that, it'll show you view recording and transcript. So go ahead and tap on this. So now as you can see, it has transcribed your recorded call. You can play the audio, but just above here, you can see what you have said or what the other person has said. So hi, this is a Simple Dad. How are you? Please subscribe, blah, blah, blah. So this is a good feature as it keeps a record of important conversation like work, customer service, or if you want to catch anyone who is lying, you can easily revisit and review what was said. It's great for creating written summaries or documentations. Now, for those of you who want to turn this feature, you want to go ahead and tap on the call icon here, then tap on the three dots, then tap on settings. Now you want to find recorded calls or record calls. From here, find transcript assist. Now from here, you want to go ahead and find this option, auto transcribe recorded calls. You want to go ahead and turn this feature on. Another feature which you want to turn on as well is to turn on the auto detect language. So if the other person is maybe speaking Hindi or maybe Chinese, Japanese, it'll basically detect it and it'll transcribe that recording as well for you. So go ahead and turn this feature on. You can even choose a transcription language. So you can go ahead and choose Hindi, Korean, Polish, Russian, and many more. So there you go, guys. That is how to record a call and then transcribe it on your Samsung phone using One UI 7.0.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.